2019 Chevy Silverado 5.3, custom wheels, beautiful grill on these. Look at that. I like the black grill better than the chrome grill. It accents the gray nicely. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory Y, factory flex, 3-inch pipe. Then we added 2.5-inch inlet and outlet. FLOWMASTER Super 10, part number 842516. There will be a link in the description, as you guys can see right there. Then how these Chevys are, dualed out the back. They get a Y pipe on top right there over the rear axle. And then there's still resonators on it there and there. That's Chevy style of resonators right there. All right, and then the HDMI tips out the back, factory. We can always take them off and replace them with something else later on down the road. Here's the muffler on it, and it does have this valve on it. Anytime you take these mufflers off, you got to take that valve off because it rattles if you don't. So remember that, guys. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Still got stock resonators and FLOWMASTER Super 10. Let's come up for getting home, please. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 93. Run it, back it out. That sounds good. That sounds really nice. Boss Custom 5.3. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado 2019. With a FLOWMASTER Super 10. Stock resonators. Stock duals out the back.